What's up, everybody? I'm Jason, this is the Freeburg Garage, and we are on the FXRT Build back again for however many videos we're putting this together. We are doing the front motor mount, getting this area all buttoned up, getting that motor lifted back on the frame, hopefully get it off the lift that's been holding it for the past 3-4 months, whatever I have on this lift. Let's get this thing buttoned up in the front and check it out. I got a new motor mount, and let's go over the differences if you decide to upgrade. Let's get it done. All right, so first we're gonna get this all cleaned up, get it less dingy looking, get all the old grime off it, and then we'll get into getting everything installed. All right, we're all cleaned up, and we're talking front motor mounts before we get installed, right? So we have the old one right there. Got the bottom, top, and the rubber here starting to give. Got on both sides here. Got some pitting going on in the middle. No cracking, no tears, which is fine. Probably could have used it, but down the road it's gonna end up wearing out if I use this bike a lot. So I went with a brand new replacement when I'm down here. All nice and hard rubber, can't even push that in. Looks beautiful. That's by Mid USA is the one I'm using, a 1401761. Now there are a lot of different designs you can go online and find. Alloy Art makes one that essentially duplicates what is down here, both a fancier aluminum style rather than the steel plate. Then you also have Chopper, Big Bear Choppers, Haas Choppers, whatever you want to call them. They make their own design that completely changes out the front motor mount. I have that on my other FXR. If you're interested, I have a full review. Maybe one day do an actual side-by-side difference so you guys can see how you can improve that. But for my application, my horsepower, what I'm looking for, the bike build and everything, just a standard replacement is what I'm looking for, and just upgrading it to something that's new, it's gonna work out just fine for me. All right, so let's get this motor mount installed, get the motor mount all squared and plumbed. Let's get it done. So right now we got the full motor on the frame. We have to lift this back up into position to be able to get this mount back onto those ears. I'm gonna lift this up first with the jack, get us in place. All right, so what we're gonna do is lay down the motor mount first. Just gonna get this mocked up. And got our bolts in position. All right, we're gonna slide our front bolt and do the bottom plate underneath. All right, so I got everything snugged down where I want it to be, and per the manual, it wants you to have equal bulge of the rubber on both sides. So it's pretty even in my opinion, so we're pretty much good to go. We're gonna tighten these both down to 38 foot-pounds. All right, and the top bolts are gonna be 38 as well. All right, we're gonna reinstall our regulator now. Put our bracket up here. Get this mounted first. Sure our ground wire is back on there. Front motor mount installed. We have all it down to the spec of what the manual says. We just need to let the motor run, and then from there retorque all the bolts and see how it lands. I didn't change anything with the linkage. I kept it all the same as I took it apart. So when I reinstalled it, the alignment should be exactly the same except for that front new motor mount, which after the motor settles, we should see where our final alignment should land. That's another process of getting that all aligned. But for now, guys, that about it for me in this one. I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, tap down like, press the notification, leave a comment below and tell what you think. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.